Hi guys, it's Chef Smokey here from Homies on Donkeys. Our taco today is gonna be fillet of Seabass. We're gonna try to get this skins nice and crispy and crunchy. Sprinkling our fish with a mix of salt and sugar and MSG, so those seasonings can permeate the fiber muscles in the fish and also helps the fish to be a little bit firmer. Then treat the skin with a little flame with a blowtorch and then apply the salt so the skin starts drying out. That's going to help for the skin to become really crispy. The importance of umami is it's fundamental. If I want to build a band, I have to have the base, and for me it's umami is the base. One of the main elements of this dish is a green jalapeno pesto. We have roasted garlic that then we combine with oil and turn into garlic confit paste. And the reason we do this is because this is our base for our pesto, because creating an emulsion will prevent us to have a very oily pesto. Combining all our fresh ingredients into that emulsion, we have this pesto that, as you can see, is very stable, very green. In our seasoning, we add a little bit of citric acid to neutralize the action of the enzyme that turns our leaves green, leaving us with a very nice, vibrant, green looking pesto. We have our garnishes, purple cabbage and red onion, finely chopped yellow pepper. A bit of acidity with our pickled onions in citric acid, and another tiny bit of bitter note with our shiso. A simple looking dish, but with these important techniques to learn. Quickly flash fry my fish, very crispy skin, nice and bouncy. So we're gonna choose our best ones, like just a little bit of our green jalapeno pesto with cilantro and a little bit of mint, some coriander leaves, our purple pico de gallo, which is a mix of cabbage and red onion, our yellow pepper, just a couple of these guys for a note of bitterness, just a speck, our pickled onion with citric acid. It actually looks pretty nice. And that's the dish. Seabass, green jalapeno, coriander and mint pesto, purple red cabbage with red onion, bit of yellow pepper, or pickled onion with a bit of shiso and coriander. A couple of pieces of lime as well. Ingredients come from all over the place because people move all over the place. Be able to look beyond tradition, open your mind to new techniques, new ingredients. Eating and cooking is probably the most important thing we do as human beings.